Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the part 2 of the story, The Rat Trap. We are going to take ahead our discussion from the point we left. So, read with me with the textual analysis of the story, The Rat Trap. No one can imagine how sad and monotonous life can appear to such a vagabond. So this is a term you can use directly. Vagabond means wanderer who keeps on moving here and there in search of food, in search of shelter, in search of some little money. Vagabonds होते हैं जो घुमक्कड़ होते हैं, जो here and there घूमते रहते हैं फूड के लिए, शेल्टर के लिए, मनी के लिए, बेगिंग के लिए. So you cannot imagine that how life had been sad and monotonous for them who plods along the road. वो रोड के साइड में constantly चलते रहते हैं. Left to his own meditation, they are so engrossed in their own thoughts. You just cannot imagine the life of a vagabond. So this is the first word, my dear students, that I am giving you that you can directly use in the answer. Whenever you are asked the character sketch of the rat trap seller, because he is unnamed, you will write that he was a vagabond. He was a wanderer. He plodded along the road. His cheeks were sunken and his eyes gleamed hunger. These are the lines that are directly taken from the text, and that's what I am expecting you. Character sketch आप साथ साथ build करते जाइए. Words को, lines को, phrases को अपनी notebook में note down कर लीजिए ताकि बाद में आपको problem ना हो. NCERT में या underline कर लीजिए. Better best आप write कर लीजिए. No one can imagine how sad and monotonous life can appear to such a vagabond who plods along the road, left to his own meditations. But one day this man had fallen into a line of thought. सोचते सोचते उसे एक ख्याल आया, which really seemed to him entertaining. ऐसा क्या मन में बात आई कि वो उसे बहुत entertaining लगी. He had naturally been thinking of his rat traps. वो अपने rat traps के बारे में सोच ही रहा था. He was struck by the idea. Mark star mark कर लीजिए क्योंकि ये idea बहुत ज़्यादा important है. This is the central idea of the story. What did I say? This is the central idea of the story. ये इस story का central idea है. एक line of thought है जिससे जब that rat trap seller was thinking about his rat traps, left to his own meditations, but one day this man had fallen into a line of thought which really seemed to him entertaining. He had naturally been thinking of his rat traps when suddenly he was struck by the idea that the whole world around him, with its lands, seas, cities and villages, was nothing but a big rat trap. ये जो हमारी पूरा world है, this world is nothing but a big rat trap. This world is a big rat trap. All right? जिस पे बहुत riches है, money भी एक rich है, bungalows भी एक riches है. हम क्या करते हैं? Day in and day out we work. We work for the benefit of you people. We work for monetary benefits in order to keep our body and soul together. So that's what the central idea of his line of thought was. That this complete world, along with its land, along with its sea, and with all the material riches, this world is but a big rat trap. हमने अपने लिए baits set कर ली है. Baits एक इम्पॉर्टेंट वर्ड है इस स्टोरी का. हमने अपने लिए बेट सेट कर ली है. माउस के लिए रैट ट्रैप में हम चीज लगाते हैं, पॉक लगाते हैं, चपाती लगाते हैं, तो वो बेट है. वो माउस जैसे ही उस बेट को खाने के लिए जाता है, वो रैट ट्रैप के अंदर कॉट हो जाता है, वो फंस जाता है. ऐसे ही हम ह्यूमन बींग्स वी रन बिहाइंड मनी एंड इन ऑर्डर टू दैट मनी इज बट अ बेट फॉर अस। वो मनी हमारे लिए बेट है और हम उस मनी के चक्कर में रैट ट्रैप में फंस जाते हैं, इस वर्ल्ड में फंस जाते हैं। लेकिन ये आइडिया अम्यूजिंग तो नहीं है, ये आइडिया तो थोड़ा डार्क एंड डॉन्टेड है, बट रैट ट्रैप सेलर के लिए ये आइडिया एंटरटेनिंग क्यों है? सी द वर्ड दैट सीम टू हिम वेरी वेरी एंटरटेनिंग। उसके लिए ये आइडिया एंटरटेनिंग क्यों है? ही इज द रैट trap maker. He considered himself as the maker of the world, the creator of the world, जिसमें उसके लिए तो कोई बेट नहीं है। He is a beggar, he is a thief। तो यहाँ पर इस रैट ट्रैप, ये दुनिया भी एक रैट ट्रैप की तरह है। यहाँ का पैसा, रिचेस, आराम, घर, बंगला, गाड़ी, सब कुछ हमारे लिए बेट्स हैं। आप यूज कर सकते हैं वर्ड वेगाबॉन्ड, बेट्स। ये 2 वर्ड्स मैंने आपको बता दिए हैं, वोकैबुलरी इनसाइट्स हम यहाँ पर करा रहे हैं। तो बेट एक इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड है। ये आइडिया एंटरटेनिंग क्यों है? क्योंकि ही इज द रैट ट्रैप क्रिएटर, रैट ट्रैप सेलर, रैट ट्रैप मेकर। तो उसे ये आइडिया एंटरटेनिंग लगा कि मैं इस रैट ट्रैप में नहीं फंस सकता हूं। जो दुनिया है हमारी, सब लोग इस रैट ट्रैप में फंस चुके हैं, आप भी फंसे हैं। एडमिशन लेना चाहते हो ना अच्छे कॉलेज में, रैट बेट क्या है? 12th बेट क्या है? कॉलेज। वे क्या है? क्लास 12। तो हर पर्सन एक रैट ट्रैप में फंसा हुआ है। द होल वर्ल्ड विद इट्स लैंड्स, सीज, cities and villages was nothing but a big rat trap. It had never existed for any purpose other than to set baits for people. ये सब हमारे लिए एक बेट की तरह एक्ट करते हैं, एक अट्रैक्शन की तरह एक्ट करते हैं। So offered riches, joys, shelter and food, heat and clothing, exactly as the rat trap offered cheese and pork, and as soon as anyone let himself be tempted to touch the bait, closed it on him, and then everything came to end. जैसे ही आप उस बेट के लिए आगे बढ़ते हैं, आप कॉट हो जाते हैं उस वर्ल्ड के रैट ट्रैप में। The world had of course never been kind to him because he had been a beggar. He had been a thief. World had never been kind to him. So it gave him unwanted joy. Unwanted joy means unusual joy. To think ill of it in this way. दुनिया के बारे में इस तरीके से गलत सोचकर उसे अच्छा लगता था, because lately world had never been kind to him. It became a cherished pastime of his during many dreary ploddings. जब वो अपनी ploddings पर जाता था, walks पर जाता था, because he always kept on walking, he had no shelter. To think of people he knew who had let themselves be caught in the dangerous snare. Dangerous snare होता है trap. Trap. जब उसके जानकार आसपास वाले लोगों को वो इस ट्रैप में फंसा हुआ देखता था तो उसे अच्छा लगता था, ये सोचकर ऑफ अदर्स हु वर स्टिल सर्कलिंग अराउंड द बेट्स। हमारे लिए जो मनी है, ये सब मनी, riches, house and a well settled life, ये सब हमारे लिए बेट्स है। हम इसके आसपास रिवॉल्व करते हैं। हम जब तक उसे अचीव नहीं कर लेते हैं, we keep on circling around it. So this rat trap seller who felt this metaphorical idea that this world is but a big rat trap where our money, riches, bungalow, houses, shelter, clothing, all are but baits, attractions that are set for us to keep us trapped in this world, in this snare of a dark world, in this trap of dark world. बहुत ब्यूटीफुल वोकैबुलरी है इस चैप्टर की, साथ साथ नोट कर लीजिएगा, मीनिंग मैं बता रही हूँ। One dark evening, as he was trudging along the road, he was walking slowly. Trudging का मीनिंग, plodding का मीनिंग होता है, दोनों का मीनिंग होता है स्लो वॉक। slow walk. He was trudging along the road. He caught sight of a little grey cottage by the roadside. जब वो एक इवनिंग वॉक कर रहा था तो उसकी नजर एक रोड साइड पर एक कॉटेज पर गई. He knocked on the door to ask for shelter for the night. उसने उस डोर के ऊपर नॉक किया नाइट के लिए, शेल्टर पूछने के लिए कि क्या मैं रात को यहाँ पर रुक सकता हूँ. नॉर वॉज ही रिफ्यूज्ड. लेकिन पहली बार ही सही ऐसा हुआ कि उसे किसी ने मना नहीं किया. इंस्टेड ओल्ड मैन, इंस्टेड ऑफ द सोर फेसेस विच ऑर्डिनरली मेट हिम, उसे हैबिट थी. किस चीज की हैबिट थी? कड़वे चेहरों की, जो उसे डायरेक्टली मना करते थे, अरे चले जाओ यहां से भैया, स्वीडिश लैंग्वेज में. द ऑनर who was an old man, उस कॉटेज का जो ऑनर था वो एक ओल्ड मैन था, without wife or child, was happy to get someone. आज का तो दिन ही बड़ा unusual है. He has knocked on the door to ask that whether or not he can get some shelter, some food or something. He was not refused. He did not meet any sour face. He was met by a person who was alone himself. He had no wife, no child, and as a result of which this man, who had always been very, very lonely, was happy to welcome a vagabond. Word use करना है. Was happy to get someone to talk to in his loneliness. Immediately he put the porridge pot on the fire. उन्होंने पॉरेज पॉट रखा, फटाफट खाना बनने के लिए रखा. पॉरेज का मीनिंग होता है दलिया. And gave him supper, उसे डिनर दिया. Then he carved off such a big slice from his tobacco roll that it was enough both for the stranger's pipe and his own. और उन्होंने क्या लिया? फटाफट अपना टबैको रोल निकाला, जो जितना स्मोक, जितना टबैको दोनों की पाइप्स के लिए सफिशिएंट था. Finally, he got out. Is this the way that you treat a stranger? But this man treated this stranger like that because he was lonely himself, and as a result of which this old man welcomed the vagabond, welcomed our rat trap seller, who was by nature a theft and a beggar, who expected that he will not meet happy people, happy faces, happy smiles. Was completely unexpected event. At completely unexpected event, he met an old man who was very, very welcoming. Finally, he got out an old pack of cards and played Majolis. That's a Swedish card game. Majolis is a Swedish card game. This old man, who was already filled with a sense of loneliness, he welcomed that rat trap seller with open arms. आ जाओ, खाना भी मिलेगा, शेल्टर भी मिलेगा, टबैको भी मिलेगा, गेम भी मिलेगी. We will enjoy our best with his guest until bedtime. The old man was just as generous with his confidences. He was so much happy to have someone by his side that what did he do? What this old man do? This old man revealed his confidential information about the money, about his career, and about his whereabouts, about his savings also. So this man confident बनाना क्या होता है? जब आप किसी में ट्रस्ट बेस्टो करते हैं. कॉन्फिडेंट बनाया. Confident means this old man saw a confidant in the rat trap seller. The old man was, just a second, I have to catch some water till the time. Read it with me. My dear students, बेटा जितना पढ़ना जरूरी है उतना ही जरूरी अपनी हेल्थ का ध्यान रखना है. द टेम्परेचर इज कंप्लीटली इंक्रीजिंग. There is no sign of rain. There is so much heat, So you need to take care of your hydration, of your food choices, because ये जो आपका ईयर है ये एक लॉन्ग जर्नी होने वाला है। एजुकेशन सिस्टम से, सीबीएसई से कहीं ना कहीं हमारा ट्रस्ट जो है वो डिस्ट्रस्ट में बदल चुका है। लेकिन व्हाट्स ऑन आवर पार्ट, हमारे पार्ट पर क्या है? मेहनत करना है। तो मेरे बच्चे साथ में मेहनत करेंगे, इंग्लिश का सारा सिलेबाई कंप्लीट करेंगे। हम ऑलरेडी मिड ऑफ द सिलेबाई में आ चुके हैं रैट ट्रैप स्टोरी के साथ। हम लास्ट लेसन लॉस्ट स्प्रिंग डीप वाटर को कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं। पोएट्री में भी हम अपनी बेटर 2 पोम्स को कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं। तो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इट इज माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट, इससे पहले मैं टेस्ट सीरीज लेना स्टार्ट करूं, मैं चाहूंगी कि आप लोग अपना पिछला सिलेबस भी रिवाइज करते चले, टाइमली अपना सिलेबस कवर करें, इंग्लिश को टाइम जरूर से जरूर दे। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं, अपनी कंटिन्यू करते हैं स्टोरी का एनालिसिस। द ओल्ड मैन वाज जस्ट एज जेनरस विद हिज कॉन्फिडेंसेस एज विद हिज porridge and tobacco. The guest was informed at once that in his days of prosperity, his host had been a crofter at Ramjasso Iron Works. इस old man ने बताया कि जब मेरे अच्छे दिन थे, जब मैं young man था, तो I was a crofter at Ramjasso Iron Works. क्रॉफ्टर एक पोजीशन होती है जब आप एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड पर काम करते हैं, and had worked on the land. Now that he was no longer able to do day labor, it was his cow, because he was old now, and as a result of which he was not able to carry on the work of labor. Now what did he do? He milked the cow. His cow supported him. Yes, that bossy was extraordinary. She could give milk for the creamery every day. This man, this crofter, अब आप इस old man के लिए वर्ड यूज कर सकते हैं crofter, क्योंकि पहले ये एक crofter था, अब ये एक milkman है, और he is so lucky as he was in his young days that now he has a cow that milked so much of milk that he was able to sell creamery every day. And last month he had received all of 30 kroner payment. ये एक स्वीडिश करेंसी है, और इतना अच्छा गया लास्ट मंथ that he was able to earn good. The stranger must have seemed incredulous, for the old man got up. अब जो सामने पर्सन बैठा था, जो सामने जो रैट ट्रैप सेलर बैठा था, he seemed incredulous. Incredulous का मतलब होता है unable to believe, because that rat trap seller had always met hard faces, always met hard life. He was not able to believe that this old man got up from his chair and shown him the 30 kroners that hung down in the leather pouch. Old man got up, went to the window, took down a leather pouch which hung on a nail in the very window frame, and picked out 3 wrinkled 10 kroner bills. These he held up before. अरे देखो, मुझे सच में मिले हैं last month 30 kroners, because that person had no one to share his happiness with. This person was more than happy to share his riches, his success, his happiness with the vagabond. These he held up before the eyes of his guest, nodding knowingly, and then stuffed them back into the pouch. The next day, both men got up in good season, good mood. The crofter was in a hurry to milk his cow, and the other man probably thought he should not stay in bed when the head of the house had gotten up. इसे भी नहीं अच्छा लगा कि head of the house उठ चुका है milking के लिए, तो मुझे बेड पर अब रहना चाहिए, because he was just a guest for the night. When the head of the house has gotten up, They left the cottage at the same time. The crofter locked the door, put the key in his pocket. The man with the rat trap said goodbye and thank you. Thereupon each went his own way. Are you liking the story? Are you liking the way we are taking up the vocabulary section, the text by text section? Please, my dear students, do like, share and comment your remarks. If you have any query regarding to how we are taking up class 12th English, and if you have any request कि मैम ये करवा दीजिए, आप इस नंबर पर हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं, व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं और कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कर सकते हैं. तो आपकी रिक्वेस्ट को हम जरूर से जरूर कंसीडर करेंगे. वेट फॉर द पार्ट 3 ऑफ दिस वीडियो. थैंक यू. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ बिग चैप्टर, तो पार्ट 4 तक ये वीडियो रन कर सकता है. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे.